Need for God's justice. Psalm 10. Lord, why do you stand so far away? Why do you hide in times of trouble? In arrogance, the wicked relentlessly pursue their victims. Let them be caught in the schemes they have devised. For the wicked one boasts about his own cravings. The one who is greedy curses and despises the Lord in all his scheming. The wicked person arrogantly thinks there is no accountability since there is no God. His ways are always secure. Your lofty judgment have no effect on him. He scoffs at all his adversaries. He says to himself, I will never be moved from generation to generation without limiting. Cursing, deceit, and violence fill his mouth. Trouble and malice are under his tongue. He waits in ambush near settlement. He kills the innocent in secret places. His eyes are on the lookout for the helpless. He lurks in secret like a lion in a thicket. He lurks in order to seize a victim. He seized a victim and dragged him in his net. So he is oppressed and beaten down. Helpless people fall because of the wicked one's strength. He says to himself, God has forgotten. He hides his face and will never see. Rise up, Lord. Lift up your hand. Do not forget the oppressed. Why has the wicked person despised God? He says to himself, you will not demand an account. Why you yourself have seen trouble and grief, observing in it order to take the matter into your hand. The helpless one entrusts himself to you. You are a helper of the fatherless. Break the arm of the wicked, evil person, until you look for his wickedness, but it can't be found. The Lord is king forever and ever. The nation will perish from his land. Lord, you have heard the desire of the humble. You will strengthen their heart. You will listen carefully, doing justice for the fatherless and the oppressed, so that mere people from the earth may terrify them no more. Amen.